Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming accounts. Be signed into the Google account that holds your photos and into your Geo account on another tab. Once done, open Google Takeout and pick Google Photos only. That prevents unrelated data. Make sure you choose the specific albums you want to move, then select. Zip and 2 GB splits so downloads don't corrupt. You request the export and wait for the archive email. That email contains the secure download link you'll use next. Next, download the export archives to a computer with stable broadband. You'll avoid mobile timeout issues. Once downloaded, extract each. Zip preserving folder structure so timestamps remain intact. Make sure files are in supported formats, JPEG, PNG, MP4, and remove any duplicates or corrupt items. This saves upload time and prevents Jiophotos from rejecting batches. Rename large album folders into shorter names if necessary. Finally, sign into Jiophotos on the web or app and use the upload or import option to add folders. You should upload in controlled batches, 2 to 5 gigabytes, and watch progress so you can retry failed uploads right away. Once uploaded, verify albums and dates. Move or rename within Jiophotos if needed. If a file fails, check your Geo storage quota and network stability. If issues persist, retry the smallest batch and inspect the specific file for corruption before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.